It's not supposed to be like that. Welcome back to the Lost Cause Ranch. We're on the upper deck. We got the Lotus there. A bunch of you guys have been asking, what's up with the Lotus in the background of the videos? Well, needs a clutch. What does it take to do that? A little more than you think. So this is what it takes to do a clutch in a Lotus Evora. So it is quite the process to get to the little Toyota motor in the back of this Evora here. So hatch is off, bumper's off as you saw, and now Ted is just going to work on getting the rest of the clamshell unbolted. So that whole rear clamshell has to lift off because serviceability on a Lotus is key. So you want to take half the car apart to get the engine out. I wish you could smell through the camera. It's a little clutchy out here. So when you take the clutch out in your Lotus Evora with a little Toyota V6, the V6 part is reliable, the clutch maybe not so much. It is an involved process to get that engine out of there. Would have been nice if Lotus designed it to where you could drop it out the bottom. It's almost big enough, not quite though. So instead, you have to take the entire rear clamshell off along with the rear bumper and all the good bits to pluck that guy out. We'll get that separated here in a minute. It is kind of neat seeing all the inner workings of Lotus here. It does take up a good bit of real estate. We got a couple bays eaten up. We got more parts back here, an entire shelf. Now it's not an overly technical process, and it's nice that the clamshell is fiberglass, nice and lightweight. But depending on where you're getting this done, at what shop, this is a $10,000 to $15,000 process, and it is probably about a week's worth of work in the shop. I mean, because you gotta remove half the car. For safekeeping, just toss clamshell back on. That way we can blast this guy up in the air and nothing gets hurt. So I believe we found the problem here. It's not supposed to be like that. I think she's chooched. If there was ever anything chooched, this guy is it. We have absolutely nothing there because it is all right there. So we're gonna get the clutch, pressure plate, and flywheel ordered for this guy. So if you were ever wondering what it takes to do a Lotus Evora clutch, that is it. You just have to rip half the body off. Not a big deal whatsoever. Easy afternoon's worth of work. I know that was a quick video. Some of you guys were asking about this thing in the background. I figured I'd show you what was up with it. It toasted a clutch just a wee bit. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.